So what's this thing?
So, you want green in there now, huh?
I think so.
What's going on here? Oh, that's tape. That's where I held it. Mm-hmm. Try to get it stuck on that one side. This is bright green.
Yep.
I need a funnel. I need a mask.
You need a funnel and a mask.
Don't try this at home.
And play with the air a little bit here.
It's very underwhelming. Oh,
That's better.
it's like a volcano.
Oh yeah.
That's what it's supposed to look like. For some reason, though, it's
Still
not.
on this corner. I think it's because it's not level.
I don't know if the level has anything to do with it, though. What do you think? Okay, they should be cold enough. Make sure your hands are as clean as you can get them, because you'll leave little specks of that on. That's how I ended up with multicolored. This stuff, I don't think you should be breathing this stuff. That's why I bought some N95ers. Mm-hmm. It's just I got one already. Put it back on. So Doug, you're gonna leave yours just one color? No, I just gotta get everything up. I just start to pick it up and then put the mask on.
Tape. So I can retape over my current color?
Yep.
No, it'll stick still?
Yep.
Kind of a little regulator. What kind of pressure are we talking about? Like no pounds?
4 pounds.
Seriously?
Yeah.
All right.
Where's okay.
A little regulator underneath that bubbling powder coat is a coffee filter. What you doing, son?
What am I doing?
So then, Abe, what, you heat it up?
Oh yeah.
What do you heat it up with? Oh, heat gun.
They use torches, but this seems to be a little more consistent.
Torches.
You know, butane.
Wow.
Okay, and again, after you're done doing your edges real good, you wipe it down so you have a clean surface, and you heat her up. It's hard enough to paint sticks to it.
So you already did half of that one done?
Mm-hmm. You can have a little bit of oil right there. Let it get the tape.
And then set it somewhere. Pretty cool.
Cool off.
You making stripe tape?
Yeah.
It doesn't melt the tape?
Hmm?
It doesn't melt the tape?
That tape's rated at 350 degrees.
Oh, the frog tape is rated at 350.
I got to email him to find out. Hi. Did you hear about that thing?
Huh.
I don't want to lose the food.
Now what do you do?
Very cool.
Very cool.
Mode
You put it in convection? You put it in convection mode.
350.
350.
We're gonna warm it
It's
up.
got like a toaster oven. A convection toaster oven. Nice.
Yeah, we don't mess around and get cheap stuff.
You heat it to 350 and you put them in for 15 minutes?
Oh, we can turn this off now. That works pretty good.
Yeah, that was nice. Nice
That's
fluidized.
better.
Nice fluidized bed.
We got to take the tape off right now. I didn't get it down there far enough. I got a little green goober thing going on there.
A green
So
boogery
once
thing.
it cools down, you just take the tape off?
Yeah. We're rushing it. We should have let it sit a little while.
How did it stick?
Right there.
Oh,
That's okay.
let's see.
Suppose you could also do the
Fish
step,
don't
bake it in
care.
the oven before
Close.
you do the next
Close.
step, the next color.
You could.
Make it a little
You bake them in between?
easier.
No, mine
Did it
did not
bleed
turn
through?
out very good.
Did it bleed through?
No, a
Mm.
little bit there.
Yeah.
I didn't line up my lines very good.
Okay, Doug, start peeling your tape.
That you can have that because I don't want to stick to it good. I don't think the fish will notice.
You guys are fishing for the wrong fish if they can't tell what
If
you're
they're
trying
that
to
picky,
mistakes.
I don't want them.
Yeah. It's not
I don't want them. Oh, that, hey, yours would have been cool.
It was close.
It looks like it's got an Oregon license.
I was gonna say,
plate.
it's got a little tree growing in the
Yeah.
tree symbol there.
It's
What
just
you got, Doug? Yeah, that's nice. That's straight.
It's gonna really gloss up once we cook it.
All right.
Take off the back.
So if I ever want to put dots on the inside of them, I gotta do the dots first. Wish I hadn't done that. It was really kind of cool until I grabbed it with the fire.
All right, there
Put
they
it
are.
in the oven now, right?
Put it in the oven.
Going in the oven.
Convection.
Set the timer for 15 minutes.
All of our verbiage out of
15 minutes later.
Right, show me this.
Like a coat or anything, they just like gloss up like that.
Yeah, isn't that weird? It comes off and it looks like it's powdery
Super
and
flat. And
yeah.